we're on our way to 113 Wagner. Dito dapat kami magva-Valentine's dinner pero bigla nagkaroon ng availability sa Le Chef.
Ka-cancel pa nga dapat namin eh. Kaso hindi na kami napayagan. Wala kaming no choice.
Kaming no choice.
Hi, so we arrived here at Chocolate de Baterol. Pero pang 11 pa kami. So we're just chilling here sa woods. Orders here. This is the traditional baterol. We got two. And then this is the bibingkang galapong. And this is suman sa lihya. Sarap mo.
Ito Manzanillo. Ito, yes.
Ano yan? Parking. The girls. Done with Hatch. Sobrang ganda ng vibe, retro vibe.
True. Actually, kahit naman umuulan, maganda pa rin siya.
And now we're on our way to meet up with friends.
Yes. Shout out to Coco and Lunas. Shout out. Hello.
Open. Wow, ang ganda naman ng sulat.
Love the handwriting, the penmanship.
Komay?
Ayun, sabi niya, Comax.
Ew, komay. Momay.
Kitty, ano? Cute.
Thank you so much,
Grabe,
komay.
nakakatawa.
Grabe.
Ito na siya. Ito na yung todo.
Wow, ang galing. Vapor. Check out the... Basta kami mag-check out and we're on our way to
Hot Cat Cafe.
Hot Cat Cafe. Uwi na.
Thank you, Kate.
Happy birthday, Kit.
Super fun weekend. Viscose and my birthday drink from Starbucks.
Here at Chino Roses. Diretso from Baguio. Grabe. From yung initially 8 p.m. dinner, 9:30 na. Pero okay lang para matuloy. Para matapos na.
9:30 na, okay lang.
Yes.
Ay, okay lang ba hair ko?
Oo.
Or maganda yung nakaganito?
Hindi, okay na yun. Masyado namang sona na yun. Ito nga pala yung sasakyan namin, guys.